Krista Nebeker here with Tobin Restoration, and I've got Blake Judy here, our mitigation manager.
Yes, we're still here to help, but we are taking extra precautions. We got these gloves and an N95 M3 mask that all my technicians will be wearing during the time of social distancing and quarantine. These will be worn anytime we're in a home, just to take precaution that we're not spreading that, and that Tobin Restoration isn't going to be one of the carriers of this virus, that we're going to be one of the people that are going to be frontlining it and keeping it from going into your home or into your business.
That's helpful to know too. We're just taking extra precautions and just letting you know that we're prepared for this. This isn't really anything too terribly new for us, since we're dealing with these kind of serious things in your homes and in your businesses all the time. Thank you, Blake.
Yep.